going on, guys? Today I got a tool haul for you, but first I wanted to show you that tool cart that I made with the Harbor Freight dolly. So let me show you that. So this is it. It's got it on a little top tray with the legs. There's the dolly. Just put a board on bottom so I can put whatever I need on it on the bottom, fluids or whatever. It's got some heaters on it right now, but it rolls around decently. And it's fairly cheap. I'm in it for like, I think 30 bucks or so with some hardware. Got this rail on the bottom. It's angle iron. You can hang stuff from it. Throw some screwdrivers in here, whatnot. I did put a little mat in there. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Should work out. So let's get into some tools. Alright, so next up I got this dial gauge angle finder. This was $4.99. I think I want to use it on the camber of my Cadillac or whatnot. I needed to make some adjustments on it because I think I have some positive camber and some abnormal tire wear on the outside of my tire, so I'll use this to check it. And it's got a magnetic base. It's decently strong. I think it'll definitely hold itself up, but it's not too bad. And then I picked up this carbide tip adjustable circle cutter, you know, for those projects if I need to do anything like that with a circle or whatnot, if I need to fill something. This was only $7.49. You can interchange the center drill with a little punch type deal, so you don't actually drill a hole. It's all adjustable with the Allens. Next up, I used a coupon on this 11-inch swivel clamp. This was originally $5.50. I got it for $3.99. Never have too many clamps. I don't have any of these size, so eventually I'll probably pick up another one. And free item. Not like I really needed it, but there's not much to choose from. And this is one of their new items from Maddox. It's the combustion leak detector. This was $24.99, but I used a 20% off coupon, which brought it to $19.99. Yeah, I saw this, so I just figured I'd pick it up. I want to try it on the GTX and the Cadillac as well, because when I changed my radiator on the Caddy, I did have some overheating before I changed the radiator, so it'd be nice to just check it out and make sure everything's good. And the test fluid was $10. So that comes with it. So hopefully it works. Another free item that I got was the bucket. My Harbor Freight was nice enough to honor a coupon early, so got that for free. Alright, so next up is the 6-inch magnetic hex bit extension with the 1/4-inch shank. I got this for $3.99. I don't have one of those that long, so I figured why not. And I picked up 2 of their magnetic clip rail tool holders. I think it's kind of their newer item that they sell. I didn't realize when I bought it that this one only has 9 clips and this one has 14. So that sucks, but that's what you get for shopping at Harbor Freight, I guess, right? I really don't feel like returning it and getting that other one. But these are normally $14.99, and I used a 20% off on one of them, so I got it for $11.99. This is a free item for this week. It ends February 2nd. It's just this weekend. It's a pop-up outdoor light, which is not too bad. It's kind of bright. Let me show you. It's pretty decent. Runs off 3 AA's. You know, power goes out or something. Nice to have. A little lantern. Especially for free. And of course, picked up another free bucket. So these next couple items are from Home Depot. Picked up some 12.5 gauge hog rings, 200 a piece. The last hog rings I got have like a rubber coating on them, and I wanted the ones without it. Kind of too thick to fit in the tool and all that, but having both is nice. Not too long ago I picked up the standard of these. These are the metrics, the ratcheting reversibles. This one comes with the 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These were $29.97. Not too bad. Made sure all the mechanisms work well and all that, which they do. Pretty sure they're made by the same company as Gear Wrench. So $30, not too bad. That's why I bought the clip rails, so I can do a little reorganization of all my wrenches and be looking a little better. I'll show you an update of that once I do it. And lastly, I picked up the Ridgid Easy Change faucet tool. Let me change out the faucet in my kitchen. Figure this will help. It's a full lifetime warranty. It's made of a really hard plastic, so it shouldn't break. Yeah, that long reach behind the actual sink is a little pain in the ass sometimes, but this was $20. So hopefully it makes the job a little easier.